Hello, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can dropship on eBay safely and how you can avoid bans and VeRO products. Now, a lot of people recently started to dropship on eBay from Amazon, from AliExpress, from Walmart, including Lowe's. Now, the only problem here is a lot of people aren't doing this the correct way. Okay, so that's why I will show you step by step what worked for me, and I'm sure this is going to work for you too. Okay, and I am also going to show you the best supplier to use to dropship on eBay. Okay, so I've like consistently across like all the stores we are doing like over $30,000 a month. So I believe this tutorial will bring so much value to you. Make sure you watch it till the end so that you can understand every single thing. Okay, now I'm gonna be showing you first how you can dropship. Okay, what is dropshipping and the advantage of dropshipping, and let's get started right now. So dropshipping is an easy business where you go, for example, to AliExpress or Amazon. You find a product, which, by the way, in just a few seconds I will show you how to select the right product to list on your eBay store, or how you can find winning product so that you can start to get sales. Okay, so let's get started right now. So like I said, you go to the supplier's website, AliExpress or Amazon. You find there a random product. Okay, random product just like this one, for example. Okay, so this product, as you can see, is selling on AliExpress for $5. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the whole title and then search for the whole title on eBay to see if other sellers on eBay are already listing this product, already selling this product. Okay, in my case, in this product's case, for example, it's selling for $5 on eBay. It's selling for $12. Now this means people are selling this product. Okay, by the way, you can do the exact same steps with Amazon to eBay, or Walmart to eBay, or AliExpress to eBay. In this example, we are using AliExpress. By the way, I will show you the best supplier in just a few seconds, why you need to use this supplier that I will mention in just a few seconds, and the advantage of using this supplier, and show you the results. Okay, so as you can see here, it's the exact same product, as you can see, the same product, as you can see, and the price. The only thing that is different here is the price. This means this guy is drop shipping, because like it's selling on AliExpress for $5, but on eBay he is selling it for $12. Now, like, just because we found someone that is drop shipping this product does not mean we need to list it. So the thing we need to look at is sales history. Now, if you look here, I'm going to zoom in. It says here 11 sold. That's very, very, very important, because if this seller doesn't sell this often and has only one sale, we don't want to list that. Okay, even though on AliExpress this one has over 400 sales, but this product is proven to work on AliExpress. That's why we need to search for this title and see if other sellers are selling this product and actually getting sales with this product on eBay, because we care about if eBay customers are interested in this product, not on the supplier's website, such as AliExpress or Amazon or Walmart. Okay, so this one has 11 sales, which is very, very good, and that's a sign that this product is a very good product. Now, before we list this, to avoid bans, to avoid problems with eBay in the future, you need to copy the title from eBay. Okay, and then go to ChatGPT or whatever like software you use, and then you need to ask, hi, is this does this title contains any brand name? And then paste the title there, click enter, and then wait. Okay, it says here, no, this title does not contain any brand name, which is a very, very good sign. Okay, that's a perfect product. It has 11 sales, and this is not a branded product. Okay, it doesn't have any brand name. We are not going to have any problems with the brand. Okay, so that's a good product. Now you need to list this. Now probably you know how to list products on eBay. You just need to click on sell here. Now I'm gonna mention that in a few seconds. Okay, now I just want to show you now the basics. So another thing I want to show you is to avoid bans. A lot of people don't want to get suspended on eBay. By the way, during this video, if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Okay, also you can contact me on Instagram, and they can take your account from $0 to $10,000 a month sales on eBay. So this is my Instagram, by the way. Let's continue. So now let's talk about how to avoid getting suspended. Now, just drop shipping from AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart will not get you suspended. Just keep that in mind. Okay, you are very safe with drop shipping from AliExpress. I've been doing this for like 6 years, like 6 years now. Now, what I want you to understand is getting suspended, like the reasons for getting suspended are going to be related to you, your actions, like the way you solve problems. Now I'm going to be showing you exactly what I mean. So for example, if someone opens a dispute against you, for example, you have sold this product, for example, but you sent it for you went to AliExpress and you clicked on buy now. Instead of putting your address, you put the address of the customer, and then AliExpress sends the item directly to the customer. Now the customer has a problem with the product, maybe it's broken, damaged, whatever. Now he reached out to you and you said, I cannot do anything, or we don't accept returns, or whatever. That alone is a bad thing, because you need to solve problems and you are not going to like pay any costs. Like, okay, you are drop shipping. This business is very safe. You will never lose money, because if the item is broken, you go to AliExpress, you do the exact same thing. You open a dispute, and say item is broken. You get the refund from AliExpress. You go to eBay and then refund the buyer on eBay, so that you can make customers happy and not leave negative feedback, or not contact eBay and then tell them, hi, we are getting scammed or whatever on eBay. So that's very, very important. Always try to solve problems with your customers to avoid problems. So now you might say, what is the best supplier to use? Okay, should I use Amazon, or I should use Walmart, or I should use Lowe's, AliExpress? Now the best one out of these 5 or these 4 suppliers that are very popular with eBay dropshipping is AliExpress. You may say, why you said AliExpress? What about the shipping time? These products are coming from China. Yes, but this has changed a lot. Okay, a lot. Because before the shipping time was like 20 days, but now most of the time US people receive products from China in just a few days, around 7 days, 8 days maximum. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And the advantage of using AliExpress is cheap prices. Now, very, very cheap prices. You can take advantage of this and make good profits compared to dropshipping, for example, from Amazon, where Amazon sends the product with the package, with the logo in the package, which is very bad. Now on AliExpress, they don't do that. Okay, they don't ship the product with any logo in it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to think about which supplier is more reliable. Okay, the answer is AliExpress. It's more reliable. So that's why, this is the reason why I will add the video in this screen right now, showing you exactly how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. Okay, I have tried, by the way, all the suppliers with like Amazon. I tried Walmart. I tried. That's why you need to click the video in the screen right now and then learn how to dropship correctly from AliExpress to eBay. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you.